Hello guys, welcome to Spot Additional. Now I will give you tutorial how to create custom story on Snapchat 2022 on your Android. Before that, so you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's go the tutorial. First of all, so just to click the Snapchat application, click here and then you click the symbol of your profile in the top of the button. Click the three dots here and click story settings. After that you can custom, check up here and you find the friend that you custom to block friend from using the snap and add one. Block, and this is the to custom the story for your Snapchat. Okay, this is a tutorial how to create custom story of Snapchat. I hope this video is useful for you and bye.